find and replace command. Next, let's explore the find and replace commands. These commands are like magic detective that help us quickly find specific words or phrases in our documents and even replace them with something else. To find a specific word or phrase, we can click on the Find button or press Ctrl plus F on the keyboard. Then we type in the word or phrase we are looking for and click Find Next. It's like our magic detective guiding us to the right spot. Now, let's say we want to replace a word or phrase with something else. We can click on the Replace button or press Ctrl plus H on the keyboard. We type in the word we want to replace, the new word we want to use, and click Replace or Replace All. It's like our magic detective helping us transform the words.